this hammock is torn here. What I'm going to do is use this old bag, get kind of an old canvas bag here, which I washed. I'm going to cut a patch to size here, and then I'm going to use this heat bond here and see if this will hold up. Here are patches laid out, and here's our heat bond. We've got the adhesive side up, the other side has paper on it. So we're going to put the adhesive side on the downside of the patch. And this is about the right size. There. So now we'll cut this roughly to size and get an iron ready. Feel on medium heat at the paper side here for 2 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1001, 1002, 1001, 1002, and we'll just continue and do the rest of this. Okay, I'm just trimming off any overlap where the adhesive backing goes beyond the fabric, where the fabric goes beyond the backing. So we don't want it to make kind of a mess for us. Okay, our iron is heated up. Okay, I have this on my little ironing board here. I'm going to tear the paper backing off. Set it down, put it into position. Okay, our instructions say 8 seconds, so we'll count out an 8 count. Continue this way. Okay, it does appear to be sticking. We'll just continue. I'm going a little more than 8 seconds. Basically, it's however long it takes to get the adhesive to get melted. Thanks for watching.